Christmas can be a very difficult time of the year. Not only can presents be very expensive when you have a lot of family members, but there's always that one person that never knows what they want. So I've come up with my own top 5 Christmas list for strictly PC gamers. If you have a cave dweller in your life and have no idea what to get them, I'm here to help. After all, they're notoriously hard to please. I don't even know what I want myself sometimes for Christmas. Most of the time I just end up being given socks. Mum, you just give out the most amazing gifts. So first up is this ultra lightweight gaming mouse from SteelSeries, the Aerox 3. Retailing right now for $60 and 60 UK pounds, but definitely shop around for the best price. Weighing just 57 grams with the cable removed, it will fly around your mousepad like there's no tomorrow. The main advantage to a mouse like this is it's easier to make large, quick motions with high accuracy. If you have a budding Fortnite gamer in your household, this might be exactly what they're after. You might be worried about its honeycomb design. Don't be, it feels very well made and sturdy, plus the Aerox has an IP54 rating, making it resistant to water and dust. One drawback to this mouse is the skates. They do rub slightly on my mousepad. With that said, they probably just need time to wear down a little. It also has an excellent True Move optical sensor, providing true one-to-one tracking with a CPI range of 200 up to 8500 CPI. The left and right clicks also really stand out on this mouse, featuring next-gen golden micro IP54 switches. They are so crispy. Yes, I just used the word crispy to describe a mouse switch. Here, take a listen. My second gift will put a smile on any PC gamer's face. Plenty of them will be getting a boatload of new games to play over the festive period, and it doesn't take a genius to know they're going to need some extra storage. This 500GB Kingston KC2500 M.2 NVMe SSD will do the job nicely, retailing for $114 and 94 UK pounds. Mind you, with game installs like Call of Duty Cold War being around 250GB, you may want to up that to a 1TB version. I use one in my gaming PC and have always found them extremely reliable and fast enough to load any game in seconds. They're also very easy to set up as they're installed directly on one of your motherboard's PCIe M.2 slots. Installation takes minutes by simply removing your graphics card and just slotting it in place. You may need to open up disk management in Windows to create a new partition, but that's it. A simple and easy way to make enough room for all of those new games. My third Christmas idea will make a great present, the Sound Blaster X3 from Creative, a high-res 7.1 external USB DAC and amp. I have always used Creative products for my audio. Currently I'm using Creative's AE9, which is a bit more expensive, but I can also highly recommend it. With an MSRP of $119.99 and $109.99 UK pounds, you get an incredible external DAC featuring Creative's award-winning Super X-Fi technology, which uses a computational audio to recreate the listening experience of a high-end multi-speaker setup in a professional studio. While that's a hard task for any DAC, it definitely sounds amazing when listening to music and playing games. The DAC also really looks the part on my desk. It's sleek and compact. There's a massive volume wheel plus several separate buttons for tweaking your audio to perfection. On the back there's also line-out ports that will power a full 7.1 surround sound system. Creative also have software available on their website, and I love all of the custom audio profiles tailored to most of the latest games by sound experts. General audio quality is good enough for even the most pickiest audiophiles, featuring a 600 ohm headphone amplifier that's capable of driving studio grade headphones of the highest caliber. Coupled with 32-bit 192kHz playback, you'll be rocking Christmas songs like never before. This will no doubt make an awesome Christmas gift. My fourth gift idea would be a nice upgrade to any Ryzen PC, since memory really helps to increase performance. In my current gaming PC I have 64GB of Kingston HyperX Fury DDR4, although 32GB running at 3200MHz would be perfect. This 64GB kit has an MSRP of $286, which is hardly cheap, but a 32GB kit would drop the price by nearly $100. You can pick up various kits on Amazon with speeds going all the way up to nearly 3800MHz. They have stunning RGB lighting that runs along the entire length of each module, and all of the LEDs sync together using infrared technology, meaning they will always match up perfectly. Plus, they're compatible with Mystic Light, Aura Sync and RGB Fusion, just to name a few. This makes life so much easier, only having to use one piece of software to control all of your RGB lighting in and around the case. Number 5 on my list is a surprisingly good product from ROG, or the Republic of Gamers. This high-res certified gaming headset connects using only USB Type-C, although there is an adapter in the box. Not only can you use this as a fully equipped PC gaming headset, but the Strix Go is also compatible with smartphones and game consoles as well. The overall sound quality from this 32 ohm headset is extremely good, plus the braided detachable microphone has some of the best noise cancelling I've ever heard. Footsteps are very easy to pinpoint in games like CSGO and Rainbow Six Siege, and I could quite happily use this headset outdoors as a pair of headphones since they have a very minimal design and only weigh 262 grams. Overall, the design is minimal, sleek and compact. I quite like the fact that they don't have any RGB as well. Each ear cup folds up to make them easy to carry in a bag, plus each ear cup can be laid flat on my desk and the headband is flexible enough to fit larger head sizes. Okay guys, this is a microphone test of the Strix Go ROG headset. You can hear the noise cancellation, which is quite strong in the microphone. But if you listen to me tapping some keys, I've got to be careful I don't press the space bar because it will stop the recording. But pressing that pretty loudly. Yeah, it's pretty damn good. So that's my top 5 Christmas gifts for strictly PC gamers. They would make an awesome present to anyone who loves playing games. I tried to pick gifts that aren't too obvious. Hopefully you enjoyed the list. My name's Mark from SilencedTech. I shall see you all very soon. Goodbye.